Doneness is a gauge of how thoroughly cooked a cut of meat is based on the color, juiciness, and internal temperature when cooked. The gradations of cooking are most often used in reference to beef, but are also applicable to lamb, pork, poultry, veal, and seafood. Gradations, their description, and the associated temperature ranges vary regionally from cuisine to cuisine and in local practice and terminology. For steaks, common gradations include rare, medium, medium well, and well done. The United States Department of Agriculture recommends an internal temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit for cuts of beef, veal, and lamb in order to prevent foodborne illness, and warns that color and texture indicators are not reliable. The same meats should be thoroughly cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit when ground or tenderized by cutting, since these processes distribute bacteria throughout the meat. The table below is from an American reference book and pertains to beef and lamb. The interior of a cut of meat will still increase in temperature 35 degrees centigrade after it is removed from an oven or other heat source. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.